Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show how many viewers liked your video that you have uploaded to the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device or the website on your device, and after that you should scroll down on this left side column of the screen and tap on the settings button. Click on the channel status and features in the middle of the screen in the your YouTube channel section. You should wait a few seconds till it loads and then tap on the upload defaults button. Click on advanced settings, scroll down to the bottom, and here you have this feature, show how many viewers like this video. So tap on this button until a checkmark icon appears, and then click on the save button down below to save these settings. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.